Hey, I'm Dr. Caleb Redden. I'm a sports medicine physician and the team doctor for KAGED Muscle. Here today to talk to you about the deadlift. Now, there's lots of different variations of deadlift, but today we're going to focus on a conventional deadlift. We're going to talk about the muscles that you're activating and show you the appropriate form. So talking about the muscles, it's really, in my opinion, a full body workout. So if I'm one of those guys that if I've got a limited amount of time, say I've got 20 or 30 minutes and I just really want to get in and get a full body workout, I think going to the deadlift platform is a great option because you really are going to use a bunch of different muscles. Start off with at the bottom, you're going to activate your quads and in some ways your hamstrings and your glutes. So quads on the concentric, the hammies and the glutes on the hammies on the eccentric. So as you're bringing the weight back down, you're going to be using your hamstrings. As you're bringing the weight up off the ground, you're going to be using your quads and your glutes. You're also going to activate your lower back and the posterior chamber of your back, so the quadratus lumborum, latissimus dorsi, all the rector spinae muscle groups, all those posterior chamber, those core strengthening muscle groups, as well as the upper back, so your traps and your real deltoids. You're going to use your arms because as you're gripping the bar, the flexor group in your forearms and your biceps are going to be activated. So those are all the muscle groups that you're going to be activating. It's a great workout, or it's a great exercise to add to your workout if you're looking for some of that full body activation. So we're going to bring our model in to just demonstrate the form for us. Big thing to start off with is make sure your feet are in the right place. You want to make sure they're not too wide on a conventional deadlift because that brings your knees into a position that can be dangerous. So you want to make sure that your feet are not too wide. As you grip the bar, we're going to talk about today just using an overhand grip. You'll see people do underhand, overhand, but today we're just going to do an overhand grip, making sure you're gripping the bar tight so you're even on the bar. Key thing here is you want to make sure that your hips are low, chest is high, back is tight, and you're going to try to bring the bar in towards your shins and make sure the bar stays close to your body the whole way up through the movement. Right, Nate, go ahead. Excellent. He's explosive out of the bottom, locks out at the top. Let the weight back down. Perfect. Let's try one more. Boom, excellent. And then back down. Great. One more. Yep, and down. Great, cool, appreciate that. So one of the things we notice when he's doing that is that his back stays very straight. He's bringing the bar in close to his body. The bar stays close to his body all the way up and all the way down, flexing his quads and his lower back on the way up, glutes on the way up, using his hamstrings to slow the weight down as he's going back down. So great exercise, conventional deadlift, one of my favorites.